Hello everyone, or evening rather I should say. We are here in Rye. A little bit windy and wet today I'm afraid, but we are here nonetheless. And the first thing I do when I unpack is head here. My favourite walk all along here. Where I'm staying is just centre of the screen now. You're looking, there's the Martello Tower. And the caravan site where we're staying is just here. This is Rye Harbor Nature Reserve. What you're looking at now, centre of screen, is the original Rye Harbor Village. I didn't show the village itself last time on my last visit, so that'll be what we'll see soon. The River Rother is what runs across here. You'll have to excuse the wind, I'm afraid. So we must back out a minute. Go inside. We are currently sheltering inside a World War II pillbox. Obviously, World War II broke out. We needed good defences, and the River Rother and the channel being here, this was a prime spot for invasion. So these little jobbies were put up. The holes that you see there, these are for the machine guns, these machine gun props, and these are the holes for the machine gun to stand in. And you've got lots of little strategic places. What we're looking at over there is Camber Sands. Some of these over there, one of them got buried in sand. There's these big sand dunes over there. One of them there, rubber dinghies coming over in that water. If they should try to turn, may God have mercy on their souls. There's another pillbox over there. I've shown these before, this is mainly just sheltering here today. My favourite little bit of a walk. Give you guys and girls a view of the nature reserve, what such like. Gosh, isn't it windy? Rain or shine, wind or whatever, I always have a lovely walk along here. That's my favourite bit. And just funny enough, just over there, see that little place with the red hut? Oh look, there's birds. This is morbidly enough where my ashes are going to be scattered when I die, which hopefully we won't get. So let's come out. We should get a little bit of shelter from here. Oh, that's better. Ooh. It is incredibly windy today. Full of rabbits here as well, by the way. Sea kale. Swifts are one of the main birds that you see here. Yeah, we're still raining, but I'm pretty well sheltered here. If it wasn't highly illegal to camp on a nature reserve, this wouldn't be a bad little spot. Lordy, lordy me. I wouldn't want to get caught in that. Jeez. I don't think there'll be many rubber dinghies coming over today. The parsonage should be gone by now. Yes. Yes, they've gone. This used to be one of the old tracks down into the river. May still be used for all I know. You excuse the wind. Oh, it's getting a bit bad. Oh, fuck this for a game of tin soldiers. Sorry, not my language. Stop this for a game of tin soldiers. I'm going to pause you a minute, although this phone is picture proof, until we get to the Red Hut and then the bird hide. Get some nice views from the home. So you will rejoin me again in a minute. See you all soon. Here we are. This is the Red Hut. It's so called because it's a hut. It's red. Well, the roof is red anyway. Black hut. Into carefully. People have old time Sussex, so the Red Hut it is. Gosh. Red Hut. Right opposite there. It's one of the big salt lakes, or salt lakes. You get a lot of bird life from out there. I won't profess to be able to name all the names of the birds, but as we get into one of the bird huts and it's got all the details and such, yeah, this is a beautiful view. Especially when the weather's nice. I mean, I know it's not very nice at the moment. Right over there, in the distance, you can see is Fairlight. We should hopefully or maybe be going there. Depends. Weather's like this, we won't because we need to cycle there or walk. Should we get to the bird? We've arrived at the John Gooders Hide. Birdwatching hide is dedicated to the memory of John Gooders, who was chairman of the Friends of Rye Harbor Nature Reserve for 10 years and a prolific author of books that inspired a generation of birdwatchers, including the original Where to Watch Birds in Britain. I'll let you read the rest. And I remember the first hide. The first time I came here was in 2008, 2009, and the first one was in a pile state, I can tell you. So yeah. And the dozens of little birds that we saw were plovers. It was either a ringed plover it was a ringed plover. Oyster catchers are very common here, you see dozens of those. Golden plover, that was it. That was the one with the little spots on. They look fairly similar to starlings, but just a bit bigger. Very, very quick. Oh, and there's this extremely enchanting mural. Watching hide. I thought I might have explained to us who painted the mural, but never mind. And this basically looks out onto what we look out, or this shows what we look out onto. But on a nice day, and there's Fairlight there, which I just showed you. And today is not a nice day, as you can hear by the wind, but that doesn't bother me. Do prepare yourself for wind. I just want to give you the lovely view. Dear. The wind's so strong you have a job to close those. There we are, that's that closed. The end one's got a glass on it. Yes. John Gooder's Hide. And that's where we've just come from, the red hut. And it's a little path that leads all the way from where the holiday park is there, all the way along here. And just what we can see here is the new Rye Harbor Nature Reserve Centre. I'll take a picture of this and do a then and now, because memories came up on my phone the other day and showed the old Rye Harbor Nature Reserve Centre, Animal Life Centre. So yeah, and this one is a massive difference to the old one. My friend should be here about 45 minutes to an hour, they said. So, and they're bringing fish and chips, so who can argue with that? It's the wind turbine place over at Camber Sands. Oh look, there's one of them. Pillboxes. I said there was pillboxes over there. And no one got buried. I remember the bloke that runs the little castle in Rye Town told me that one got buried. There's big sand dunes over there. Right, guys and girls, I'll stop this one. I'll get to the end of the path, see how I'm going for time. If I am going okay for time, I'll do the Rye Harbor Village, but that may be another day, because it's very cold and I want to get back to the caravan and get warm and dry. But yeah, hope you've all enjoyed just the little bits of snippets that you've seen here now, so come rain or shine, we always make the best of it. Take care all, see you soon. Afternoon again, or evening again, guys and girls. This is the new Rye Harbor Discovery Centre. Centre, rather. No, centre, that's what it's called. Centre, bruv. Which is quite a change from the old one. The old one is a picture, but I'll merge the two of these together. This bit's going to become one part of one video, but I will do a separate piece on the old and new Rye Harbor Discovery Centres. Chance in my phone rainier, but I've been reassured by quite a few people that it's waterproof for up to 10 metres of water, so hopefully rain won't do too much harm. Right, that's a lot. See you all soon. I don't think I'm going to do the Harbour Village today, it's a bit nasty, so I'll see you all soon.